Good morning. I need to make a little rigging public service announcement. Some might find this very interesting. Okay, I took delivery from a shop this morning of 2 5-ton beam clamps. Look pretty good. My initial inspection, just taking them out of the box, clearly says 5-ton. They're identical. CM manufacturer, 5-ton. But on closer examination, there's some interesting things going on here. They are actually not the same at all. This one has a tag, says 5-ton. This one says 5-ton, has a tag, but the tag is obscured. But upon close examination of the tag, when the light is right, you see the 3. There's a 3 there clearly right where the 5 is on the other one, next to the rivet. So this is actually a 3-ton beam clamp. However, it says it's a 5-ton. So this is a problem. A couple other things that are easily detectable is if you look at the pin where you hang the chainfall, there's a considerable difference in the thickness or the diameter. Also, if we look closely at the thickness of the steel, the thickness of the steel is without question thicker. For example, this is probably almost 3/8, and this is almost 1/4 inch. And if we put a tape on, which I did, the width of the tool, this is approximately 4 inches outside to outside. This is 4 3/8 outside to outside. But if, to the untrained eye, they definitely look the same. So again, back to the tag. Technically, this is a gray area on this particular one. There is a tag, and in close examination, I do see the 3. But from most angles, you really cannot see it. So I guess technically that's obscured, but somebody has taken it upon themselves to write 5-ton. 5-ton. So that's a problem. We're going to fix that right now. And just be careful. Don't be fooled by what's written on the rigging. You need the tag. You need the manufacturer's product tag, whether it's chain falls, come alongs, beam clamps, etc. You need to be able to see from the manufacturer. That's the whole idea. Don't rely on a paint stick or magic marker. All right, thank you, good luck, have a good day.